My new black eye killorado frame just came in today. Well, it's not my bike. That's my bike. Okay, it's a pretty nice frame. It's all greasy right now. I'll have to clean it later, but it's a black eye thing. Killorado. It has a wishbone chainstay. Chainstays on my other ones snapped, so I'm hoping this one will work better. It's got a 20.5 top tube. I forget the angles on it, but no different than my kink whip, so I'm gonna have to get used to them. That's about like 6 inches, 6.8 or something like that. It's a really low frame. Looks pretty sick. Forget how long the chainstays are, but it's Corey Jarman's signature frame, limited edition signature. It's black. In case you haven't noticed, I was gonna get the purple one, but Dan's comp ran out. I don't really care too much for the all black bike, but I got the purple cranks. Used from Medusa sprocket, hazard light, US made spoke, alienation, Russia version 2 free coaster hub, holy crap. Purple chain, stock cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stock 09 kink whip seat and post, stock 09 kink whip forks, same with the stem, some random front tire I got from the bike shop a while ago. They're S&M bars. They might be Grand Slam XLT, to be honest with you, I don't know. Animal Edwin grips, a Mosh bar end, and an Animal bar end. I got a Dance Comp sticker there and an Albi sticker there. I'm gonna need to get more stickers. I got some with my shipment, but I haven't put them on yet. I don't think I forgot anything. If I did, then whatever. I'm gonna go ride this thing now because it looks pretty sick. Yeah. So that's my bike. I'm gonna go ride because riding's cool. Taking it. Yeah, that was took way too long.